quick overview of my tank. What I first had is elegance coral, and it was just in the front, but now it's growing into a shoe horse. And in the middle, this is from my iPhone, so you can't really get zoom in. I can't. It appears to be a little clam growing or something, or was growing. If you look right in the middle, like the elegance coral is surrounding it. So that's something I'm gonna keep an eye on to see if there's any growth. It used to be tight, but it barely opened a little bit. It's hard to see because it's semi-extended right now. But that's something I'm gonna keep an eye on. It'd be neat to have a baby clam survive in my tank. I have bigger ones. I have sold some, you know, make up some costs to maintenance of the tank. But that'd be a first for me. Ooh, it does move. I don't know. I was kind of looking at the phone, but I'll see. But as a quick overview, like I said, it's only about 2 weeks in from the big overhaul I had to do to kill all the aptasia. But I haven't seen any since, and the corals are bouncing back. They used to be refracted and closed up, but it's coming back. So I'll do another update once this rock matures more and there's more growth.